Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to discuss about Tron and its token TRX and conduct machine learning based price forecast as well as regression analysis and valuation analysis and accumulation strategies for Tron. None of the content is financial advice. The chart that or the gauge chart that you're seeing on the screen is the overall sentiment score for crypto at around 86. Which is kind of bullish right now in terms of the narratives which are gaining some popularity. The bullishness is back in the market. People are talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin, investing. There are some bearish narratives, but they're not as popularly discussed as the bullish narratives. Some of the usual names related to the election cycle are also available. You can see over here. Trading is back in the market. And some of the other altcoins such as Cardano, XRP are also being discussed, and also some of the ETF related discussions are gaining attention. This is scraped from crypto related content of the last 7 days, and based on the popularity of the narrative, the size on the word cloud is determined. Now let's pay some attention to Tron and its analysis. We'll start with the valuation forecasted by the machine learning model. This is the weekly price action for Tron starting November 2017. You can see this particular crypto has not looked back since the November 2022 lows and has been forming higher lows and higher highs for almost 2 years now. And now that we are awaiting a bull run, most likely in post halving year, again not financial advice, the following are the machine learning based forecast for Tron, and we'll also share news related to Tron after this. Now that the price action is at around 15.5 cents over here, you can see Tron, and again its recent ranking has been updated. It's ranked number 10 by market cap. Again has flipped Cardano today. The price at around 15.5 cent is looking per the base case scenario for our model between now and end of year is between 15 cents and 18 cents. Per the bull case 17 cents and about 28 cents. That's the 1 standard deviation or 68th percentile bull case. The bear case for Tron is between 10 cents and 13 cents between now and December 2024. If you are interested in week by week raw values, this is the base case is in the middle. To its left are the three bear cases at 68%, 95% and 99.7% confidence. To its right are the 68%, 95% and 99.7% bull cases. So you can see the price action, how at the base level it operates, and at bull case at 68th percentile you can see the range is between 17 cents and about 28 cents till the end of year 2024. The bull case at 95% is at 18 cents, a bit price action between 18 cents and about 40 cents. So this is the machine learning based forecast for Tron. If you were to analyze the regression valuation, the fair value of Tron per this polynomial regression analysis is at around 12 cents. So the price is slightly elevated from the fair value, which is kind of expected in the bull run that Tron has seen for almost 2 years now. The key level to watch is if it meaningfully goes to the 20 cent level, which would correspond to a 1 standard deviation ceiling. And if you would notice that back in the last bull run, the price went slightly above the 2 standard deviation ceiling. Right now that 2 standard deviation ceiling is at around 34 cents. If there were a 2 standard deviation ceiling achieved by Tron in the next few months, the price would likely be above the 34 cent level, and the 3 standard deviation ceiling is at around 57 cents. So that's the regression analysis. The key levels to watch are to the upside is 20 cents, to the downside are 12 cents. In terms of analyzing Tron and in the longer term accumulation model, this is a time weighted average price model, which looks at Tron's price if it's overvalued or undervalued based on the difference between the price and the time weighted average price. This is the current time weighted average price is at around 5 cents. The risk score is if you were to close the other analysis, the risk score at this point for accumulating Tron is at around 72, 0.72. That means it's not as risky as it was in April 2021 when the risk score was at around 91. You can see over here, but it is coming close to the high risk regimen. So again, this is the hallmark of a bull market, where accumulating in the middle of the bull market or towards the end of the bull market is not a decent buy if you compare that with to the prices back in the bear market. So now that the other accumulation model is the dollar cost average model. This takes into consideration the price and the relationship between the price and the polynomial regression function. Per this, the risk level at this point is around 0.26. That means it's the third best time to dollar cost average. The best time is definitely when the risk is between 0 and 0.1. Like Tron was between September 2019 till essentially August 2020 and back in December 2020. So this is the second model that we would discuss. The third model is not specific to Tron. This is the PeakValley relationship or the risk relationship between the major cryptos and the phase that we are in right now. The latest risk score is at around 0.19. That means the risk is the wider crypto market is in relatively low risk environment. The key idea over here is when the risk levels are in green color or blue color, that's when accumulating makes more sense, and when the risk levels are in orange and red color, at that point the DCing out of the market or selling makes more sense. So right now we are in the buy zone. In terms of the SMA risk for Bitcoin and ETH, which takes about 60 to 80% of the entire crypto market by market cap dominance, both Bitcoin and ETH, the risk levels are between 0.2 and 0.4. That means again with this analysis also the risk levels are in a low territory. So with this we'd like to conclude the video. Hope you like the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.